Hi, welcome back to AXA Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we'll be learning a faster way to multiply any number with 25. In this example, 414 times 25. Step 1. Halve the number. Divide the number by 2. 414 divided by 2 is 207. Step 2. Divide the number again by 2. 207 divided by 2 is 103.5. Step 3. Multiply by 100. So when you multiply 103.5, you move 2 decimal places to the right. That becomes 10,350. And that's your final answer. So 414 times 25 equals 10,350. See how easy it is? Try it yourself. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.